In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to see your Apple ID passwords on iPhone. To see your Apple ID passwords on iPhone, this is what you can do. This is the home screen of my iPhone. So the next thing I want to do here, I'll just swipe to the left. So once you swipe to the left, it will take you to this app library on your iPhone. I want you to go to the search bar at the top. So once you tap on the search bar at the top, I want you to search for passwords. So it will load up passwords for you. I want you to tap on passwords. So once you tap on the passwords, it will load up all the Apple ID passwords for you. So to check any password, you can tap on the all. You can tap on security to show you all the passwords under that category. You can tap on Wi-Fi to show you all the passwords of the Wi-Fi you have connected to recently. You tap on passkeys to show you all the password under that category. So this is how you can actually see all your iPhone, all your Apple ID or iCloud passwords on your iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.